So one of the keywords that you might see more in 2026 and beyond in the AI space is MTP. Now, MTP stands for Multi Token Prediction. So in simple terms, how the current generation of AIs like ChatGPT, how they work is that you ask it a question and it will give you a response one word at a time. So for example, if you give it the input, the cat sat, then it will just predict the next word on. Then it will add on to your question. So now the question becomes the cat sat on. And then again, it will try to predict the next word in this sequence. So this is how the current AI models work. But in multi-token prediction, the AIs don't only predict one word. They try to predict multiple words. So in this case, if the question was the cat sat, the model will now try to predict multiple words. So it will predict on the mat. Now this seems like a very simple idea. So why is it gaining momentum in 2026? So MTP isn't suddenly a new idea. AI industry has reached a point where generating tokens one by one has become a major bottleneck. So the AI models have become huge and they are extremely expensive to run. A few years ago, the priority was largely how do we make the model smarter. But now the priority is how do we make a very capable model cheaper and faster to run. And MTP attacks exactly that problem. So in 2024, Meta research showed that multi-token prediction could improve training efficiency. And in their experiments, model trained to predict 4 tokens achieved up to 3x faster inference. And then DeepSeek, which is a Chinese company, it also tried MTP. In their experiments, they showed that MTP can be used at massive scale. So in summary, LLMs have become large and expensive, and generating one token at a time is a major bottleneck. And MTP helps solve that problem.